How to fix a non-working internet connection in Windows. On your PC, click the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn it off again. Now check if the internet connectivity is restored. Windows may take a few seconds to connect to the network. Press Windows plus S to open Search, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. In here, you have to run these 5 commands to reset the networking stack. Let's start with the first one. We copy it, then paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. You can copy all the commands from the video's description. Similarly, we will execute the other 4 commands. Remember, it's just a copy and paste exercise. No expertise is needed on your part. After running the last command, ipconfig flushdns, restart the PC and the internet should start working. Press Windows plus S to open Search, type View Network Connections, and click the correct result. Now, right-click on the active adapter and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 from the list, and click Properties. In here, select the Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically options, and click OK to save the changes. Right-click on the Windows icon, select Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on the active adapter, and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers, and wait for Windows to install the best locally available version. Once you get the Windows has successfully updated your drivers message, restart the PC and check for improvements. Right-click on the Windows icon, select Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters entry, right-click on the active adapter, and select Properties. Now, go to the Driver tab and click on Roll Back Driver. Next, choose a reason for rolling back the driver update and click Yes to confirm. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type appwiz.cpl in the text field, and hit Enter. In here, select the program you believe is behind the issue or any that you recently installed, updated, or reconfigured. Click on Uninstall, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Sometimes, even after uninstalling a program, leftover files can continue to cause issues. To resolve this, you can either manually delete all related files from the C drive or use a third-party tool like CCleaner. The latter is definitely the easier option. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and select Advanced Network Settings from the right. Now, scroll down to the bottom and click on Network Reset. In here, click the Reset Now button, and then click Yes to confirm the change. After resetting the network, restart the PC and check for improvements. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting Windows to factory defaults. This will eliminate any software-related conflicts and will most likely fix your internet issues. To reset Windows without losing your data, check out the video linked in the top right corner. If you still can't connect, the problem is likely with your network setup or internet service provider. At this point, it's best to contact your ISP for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.